Remember the main vocabularies. You'll be tested later in this video. Harry Potter English movie. Harry Potter was a small boy. He lived with his aunt, uncle, and cousin. Their names were Petunia, Vernon, and Dudley Dursley. The Dursleys were not kind to Harry. Harry lived in a small cupboard. It was under the stairs. He did not have many toys. He felt very lonely. Harry did not know he was special. He thought he was just a normal boy. One day, a letter came for Harry. It was very strange. His uncle did not let him read it. More letters came. They came through the chimney. They came under the door. Uncle Vernon was furious. He took Harry to a faraway house. It was on a tiny island. They wanted to hide from the letters. On Harry's 11th birthday, a loud knock came. A giant man stood at the door. His name was Rubeus Hagrid. Hagrid told Harry a big secret. "Harry, you are a wizard," Hagrid said. Harry's parents were also wizards. A bad wizard killed them. His name was Lord Voldemort. Voldemort tried to kill baby Harry. But he could not. Harry got a lightning-shaped scar. This made Harry famous. Hagrid took Harry to a secret place. It was called Diagon Alley. Wizards and witches went there. Harry got money from Gringotts Bank. He bought new wizard robes. He bought many magic books. He bought a special magic wand. He also got an owl. Her name was Hedwig. Harry was very excited. His life was changing. Soon, it was time for school. Harry went to King's Cross Station. He found platform 9 3/4. He got on a special train. It went to Hogwarts. On the train, he met Ron Weasley. Ron was a kind boy with red hair. He met Hermione Granger too. Hermione was very smart. They quickly became friends. Hogwarts was a big castle. New students had a special ceremony. A magic hat sorted them. It put them into 4 houses. Harry, Ron, and Hermione all went to Gryffindor. Gryffindor was for brave people. Harry learned many magic lessons. He learned to fly a broomstick. He was very good at it. He played Quidditch. Quidditch is a wizard sport. Harry became a seeker for his house. He also learned potions and charms. One night, Harry and his friends found a secret. They saw a giant 3-headed dog. Its name was Fluffy. Fluffy guarded a trapdoor. They learned about the Sorcerer's Stone. It was hidden under Hogwarts. The stone could make gold. It could also make you live forever. They thought someone was trying to steal it. Harry thought it was Professor Snape. Harry, Ron, and Hermione decided to stop the thief. They went through the trapdoor. They faced many dangers. First, they met Devil's Snare. Then, they had to catch flying keys. Ron was very good at a giant chess game. Hermione was clever with a potion riddle. Finally, Harry went to the last room alone. Harry saw Professor Quirrell there. Professor Quirrell was the defense against the dark arts teacher. But Quirrell was not alone. Lord Voldemort was on the back of Quirrell's head. Voldemort wanted the Sorcerer's Stone. He wanted to become strong again. Harry fought Quirrell. Harry's touch hurt Quirrell very much. This was because of his mother's love. Quirrell turned to dust. Voldemort's spirit flew away. Harry woke up in the school hospital. Professor Dumbledore told Harry everything. The stone was now safe. Gryffindor won the House Cup. Harry was happy with his new friends and his magic home. Question number 1. Dudley is Harry's blank. He is his aunt and uncle's son. A. Brother. B. Cousin. C. Friend. Correct answer, cousin. Question number 2. The Dursleys were not blank to Harry, they were mean. A. Kind. B. Funny. C. Quiet. Correct answer, kind. Question number 3. Letters for Harry came down the blank. Smoke usually goes out this part of a house. A. Window. B. Door. C. Chimney. Correct answer, chimney. Question number 4. Uncle Vernon was very blank about the letters. He was extremely angry. A. Happy. B. Furious. C. Sad. Correct answer, furious. Question number 5. Hagrid found Harry on a small blank. It was land surrounded by water. A. City. B. Island. C. Mountain. Correct answer, island. Question number 6. Hagrid was a very blank man. He was huge. A. Small. B. Giant. C. Thin. Correct answer, giant. Question number 7. Harry learned he was a blank, a boy who can do magic. A. Teacher. B. Wizard. C. Student. Correct answer, wizard. Question number 8. Hermione is a blank, a girl who can do magic. A. Witch. B. Muggle. C. Doctor. Correct answer, witch. Question number 9. Harry has a lightning-shaped blank on his forehead. It's a mark from when Voldemort tried to hurt him. A. Hat. B. Scar. C. Flower. Correct answer, scar. Question number 10. Harry was blank in the magic world. Everyone knew his name. A. Shy. B. Unknown. C. Famous. Correct answer, famous. Question number 11. Harry used a blank to cast spells. A. Pen. B. Magic wand. C. Book. Correct answer, magic wand. Question number 12. Hogwarts is a big, old blank. It is a very large building. A. House. B. Castle. C. Cave. Correct answer, castle. Question number 13. New students at Hogwarts had a sorting blank. It was a special event. A. Game. B. Ceremony. C. Meal. Correct answer, ceremony. Question number 14. Gryffindor is a house for blank students. They are not afraid of danger. A. Brave. B. Scared. C. Sleepy. Correct answer, brave. Question number 15. Harry went to many magic blank at school. He learned new things. A. Parties. B. Lessons. C. Games. Correct answer, lessons. Question number 16. Harry learned to fly a blank. He used it to play Quidditch. A. Car. B. Broomstick. C. Bicycle. Correct answer, broomstick. Question number 17. Hermione helped with a blank riddle. It was a liquid magic drink. A. Water. B. Juice. C. Potion. Correct answer, potion. Question number 18. Fluffy helped blank the trapdoor. He kept it safe. A. Open. B. Guard. C. Hide. Correct answer, guard. Question number 19. Under the school, Harry faced many blank. These were things that could hurt him. A. Flowers. B. Dangers. C. Gifts. Correct answer, dangers. Question number 20. Harry's touch could blank Professor Quirrell. It caused him pain. A. Help. B. Make happy. C. Hurt. Correct answer, hurt. Like, comment and subscribe.